Hey Dan, how's it going? This week has been a really good week. This past weekend we got to go camping up by Lake Erie, which I will show you some of the cool things that we saw there. How's it going? So we are camping this weekend, as you can see. Got a fire going, got the camp tent set up. And so the nice thing is we are in this one secluded tent camping site. It was actually closed for the season because they said it was too wet, but the ground is totally hard, so it's fine. But it's nice because it's secluded. So this is where we are. And then we have this entranceway. And then this is where all the other tent campers are. And we did at first get that one, but then we decided not to be there.
One.
The one that runs on and off the path, looking at everything. Yeah, cicada husk.
Yeah, do you want to catch that one?
Right now we are cooking some potatoes. And then we'll be cooking some of this very soon. Also convenient from our campsite, that back there's a building right here, is the bathrooms. So our potatoes got a little burned on the outside, but check this out. Soft deliciousness on the inside.
Hopefully this one too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one I'll scoop.
That looks great.
That gives us so many delicious things.
And this is why I like going camping. See? Oatmeal chocolate chip cookie and roasted marshmallows. Oh yeah. This evening, I do believe we are going to go to the Pike County Fair, which is a little ways away, but we try to go every year, and we're trying to go earlier this year because last time we went, all the animals were gone already, and we really want the girls to see the animals because I think they will love it. So it is currently 4 o'clock, and we are going to, well, I'm going to head straight home, pick up the girls, hopefully, and head straight to the fair so that we can do some things before it's bedtime. I think it's going to be really enjoyable. Come from up, they gotta go all the way down.
And their muzzle is soft. She's gonna lick your hand and it'll feel kind of funny. Hey, stop it. Does that feel funny? There's more here.
He goes like, what did they do to me?
You want to eat here?
that there was free candy in Barney's Hole of Unicorns. The evil, lactose intolerant will be having a bad, bad day when Gru, June, minions get done with it. And the last contestant we have in the most humorous division is Peyton Max.
What do you think, sweetie?
Take this and step over that one.
Looks like it might rain. The deliciousness. So that has been my week. It was really nice going to the fair with you guys this evening, and I will see you on Friday.